Okay, good morning. This is Paco Energy Services, your one-stop shop for solar appliances, installations, and equipment. Today, I want to talk about something very important, and that is the rate of fluctuation. I don't need to tell you, you know how expensive electronics appliances are now. Your deep freezers, your televisions, um, music players, washing machine, and so on. Their prices have tripled in recent times, and that is why if now you don't have a washing machine, if you are a low-income earner, it may be very difficult for you to get one. If you don't have a good television, you don't have good set of cushion, deep freezer or standing fridge, it may be difficult for you to get one because we're talking about over 200, 300 to half a million, depending on the capacity and type you're buying. And you also agree with me that sometimes these EEDC people, the way they fluctuate voltage, one day in my house, our voltage had to spike from 220 to over 290. If not that I have safety protectors in my house, my television, my lighting points, everything would have been damaged because they were not designed to handle such high voltages. They are designed to manage at most 240 volts. So whenever you have 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, expect damage. Also, we sometimes also have very low voltages. 180, 170, 160, even 90. Apart from these new energy bulbs, these white bulbs that can still be shining even if it's 60 volts, our electronics appliances are not designed to work with such low voltages. The least voltage they can accommodate is 170 volts to 240 volts. So how do you make sure that this sudden fluctuation, because if EDC wants to go out of supply, they can write, say, from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. will be out of supply. But you see voltage fluctuations, there's no notification. It usually falls from one line of the transformer, depending on where you live. So that is why you need voltage protector. You need a voltage protector for your appliances. You need a voltage protector. You need it. Get one, call your electrician to install it for you on your distribution board or your changeover. You buy it, you buy the box. You buy the box. Yes, and fix it into this place. It has the ability to shut down once voltage fluctuates beyond acceptable capacity. You can set the voltage, the upper limit at 240 and the lower limit at 170, so that anytime it goes beyond this point, this device will automatically knock out your device. Okay? It also serves as overload protection for your solar system. If your installer did not install this for you, call Paco Energy Services now. We can deliver it to you. Very, very affordable. It is only 9,000 naira, and the box is 3,500 naira. So with 12,500 naira, you can get this and the box. You can get one or two, as the case may be, to control the whole of your house. So this is very important. It is better to spend 12,500 and save yourself the stress of having to replace that your television for 300,000 or 400,000. You know, we always bring you good updates here at Paco Energy Services, because we don't only install, we also have your best interest.